Welcome to EnterActive, where today you are going to learn a powerful analogy to be able to help the folks that you serve learn about self-care. I'm Jim Stillpepper with Envision Ed Plus, and this analogy ideally needs a bowling pin, and it's an awesome opportunity to go on a field trip and maybe even do some bowling, but that is completely optional. I learned an amazing fact just a little bit ago that bowling alleys before a tournament will actually take the bowling pins out of rotation and put them on shelves for about 4 to 6 weeks. Because when bowling pins are able to rest that long, they become more responsive to the balls when they are hit. And if you really stop and think about it, this is just dead wood. But even dead wood needs to rest. I think you and I are a lot like a bowling pin. We seem to become more responsive when we are able to rest. As you can see, this is a powerful analogy that you can use to create some amazing discussion about self-care. You can follow the link below to our website to get a link to an interactive sheet designed to help you facilitate discussion. And we would love to know how your discussions go. So please put them in the comments below. And if you like what you've heard today, please hit the subscribe button and we will see you later, because we believe in making the most of every opportunity.